Hello students, in this video we are going to do the project distance sensor with our BNSS IoT Trainer Kit. For that we need ultrasonic sensor, LCD display with I2C module, jumper wires and Arduino Uno from our kit. To do the project we need to create the circuit as per the schematic diagram. Connect the trigger pin in the ultrasonic sensor to Arduino pin D6. Connect the echo pin in the ultrasonic sensor to Arduino pin D7. Connect the SDA and SCL pins in the LCD to Arduino pins A4 and A5. After connecting the circuit, upload the project to the Arduino Uno using the Arduino IDE as shown in our Arduino IDE tutorial video. After completing the code uploading process, we just have to check the output of the project to see if the distance is calculated by the ultrasonic sensor and displayed on the LCD. So, where have we used this thing in the real world? Water level measurement. In water tanks, ultrasonic sensors are used to measure the distance between the sensor and the water surface to monitor the water level. The distance is displayed on an LCD screen to indicate the current water level. Thank you.